Hey everyone, welcome. So, if you've ever worked with an AI assistant, you know that feeling, right? That frustration of explaining the same complex thing over and over and over again. But what if you could teach it a skill just once and it would remember it forever? Well, today we're diving into a project that does exactly that. Seriously, just think about it. Imagine you need your AI, maybe something like Claude Code, to format your code comments in a super specific way that your team requires. Right now, you'd probably have to copy and paste this giant, detailed prompt every single time. It's tedious. But what if you could just, you know, install a perfect formatting skill directly into the agent? You see, that exact frustration is a huge bottleneck for developers. Teaching an AI a task it can repeat perfectly is surprisingly really hard. It feels like you're constantly reinventing the wheel for every single project, every single time. And look, the problem isn't that the AI isn't powerful enough. It's how we're instructing it. We end up creating these messy, one-off prompts or hard-coded solutions that are totally locked into one project. They're inefficient, and forget about sharing them with your team. It's practically impossible. Okay, so how do we fix this whole mess? Well, a project called Awesome Agent Skills is stepping up, and it's built on a beautifully simple idea with a really powerful impact. So what is it? At its heart, Awesome Agent Skills is just a curated GitHub library. But here's the twist. Instead of being full of code, it's packed with simple markdown files called SKILL.md. Each one of these files is basically a super detailed natural language recipe that teaches an AI a very specific, reusable skill. Things like how to write a perfect Git commit message or how to structure a new API endpoint correctly every time. And let me tell you, this is not just some niche idea floating around. We're talking over 2,700 stars on GitHub. That's some serious social proof. It shows that thousands of developers are running into this exact problem and are hungry for a solution. All right, so let's get to the good part. How does this magic actually work? I mean, how can a simple little markdown file give an AI agent superpowers? Well, the beauty of it is just how simple it is. Let's break it down. It is literally as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1, you browse the GitHub library and find a skill you need. Step 2, you download that SKILL.md file and just drop it right into your project's folder. And step 3, well, that's it. There is no step 3. Your AI agent now just has that skill. It's a true plug-and-play upgrade. Let's just let that sink in for a second. This is the whole key right here. You are giving your AI powerful, brand new abilities without writing a single line of your own code, without messing with any complex settings. The sk.md file does all the heavy lifting for you. Now, this is way more than just a neat little party trick. This super simple workflow can have a massive impact on your productivity and your whole team's collaboration. It completely changes how we think about customizing our AI tools. I mean, just look at the contrast. It's huge. The old way was all about wrestling with these tangled, complex prompts and creating solutions that were stuck in one place. The new way? It's a simple, standardized file you can share in an instant. It's a total night and day difference in how you work. And the benefits just keep stacking up. Because the skills are reusable, they immediately become shareable. That means your entire team can build a consistent, powerful toolkit, which leads to huge gains in efficiency. And it's all done, again, without writing any code. It's so elegant. But this whole concept points to something much, much bigger than just a handy utility. What we're really looking at is a fundamental shift in how we build with AI. The future, it seems, is composable. We can assemble our AI's abilities from these small, interchangeable building blocks. Think about it like an app store, but for your AI. Instead of having one giant monolithic AI that tries to do everything, you have your core agent, and you can enhance it with specialized skills built by a global community. Need your AI to suddenly become an expert in a new JavaScript framework or a niche API? Yeah, there's probably a skill for that. And that leaves us with a really fascinating question to think about. If these simple skill.md files really are the apps of the future for our AI agents, what incredible tools, workflows, and capabilities are we as a community going to build next? The possibilities are absolutely wide open.